What is up, guys? If you want to change your theme from Shopify, you are in the right place. I'm going to be showing you how we can do this. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is to have your Shopify store, and here I'm going to go into the online store. So as you can see, here's a theme library that I have here currently working nice and easy. So what I want to do is to change a few stuff. So let's say, for example, that I'm going to be changing the actual theme. So what I want to do here is to go into the theme library, and here I want to look for the add theme, or you can go into the popular free themes, and in here you want to look for something that is the most accurate for your actual store. So we're going to tap into, let's say, one bag, many ways to use it. I'm going to hit into add, and what's going to happen here is that the Shopify is going to be adding the theme library in here. So what I can do is to edit this theme as well as this theme. But if you want to change from one theme into another, what you want to do is to hit into the customize, and then you can go into the publish. So this one is going to be, let's say, making the merge between this one and the other one. You don't have to worry about the content, because all the content you're going to be doing that outside the Shopify. Speaking about the brand, speaking about your logo, speaking about your slogan, all of that, you can go into settings. Here into settings, locate the brand section that is in here. And here I want to import all my information about my store. So no matter what kind of themes I use, all of this information is going to be added into the actual theme that I'm currently using. So I'm going to hit into the X mark. I'm going to go into my themes, and here into my actual themes, I'm going to locate the origin. I'm going to hit into these three dots, and here what you want to do is to go into the publish. So your customers will see this theme when they visit your online store. Hit into publish. There we go. So the Dawn is now going to be added in here, and here is my new actual current theme. I'm going to hit into the customize, and here I can edit my few examples. And there's actually how we can change from one actual theme into another one. So with that being said, guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you really want to see more amazing tools about this theme library of the Shopify. Thank you once again for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.